All right, Todd's here now with the full forecast. And this is the time of year where I try to park my car inside the garage to make sure it's a little bit warmer today. That really didn't even help, though. It was so cold this morning.
Right? A lot of the garages in the Northeast don't have the good insulation. They're older homes, so it's 6 of one, half dozen the other. It doesn't matter if you're inside or out, really. All right, let's start out with a look at some of the coldest air so far this season. A lot of it occurred over the last couple of days. Yesterday morning was the coldest of the season. Portland 17, Bangor 15, Augusta 14, Caribou 5. Check out the numbers this morning, though. We're smashing those numbers in Bangor and Caribou and Augusta. Portland's down to 20, and we've got some clouds coming in, so we're probably not going to see as cold a temperature as we did yesterday. Beneath these clouds, there are some snow showers, and some of these may be briefly intense as they come through over the next few hours, so that could grease up some of the roads. High pressure moving on out. First warm front comes through today. Second one tomorrow. This one, while it doesn't look very active, will be the more active one and cause more problems because it looks like we're going to have some ice away from the coast tomorrow morning. Passing snow showers this morning and fresh coatings possible, so be careful because it's so cold. Roads could easily get slick again. Midday, some lingering flakes, especially in eastern Maine. Otherwise, we're just looking at cloudy skies and cold temperatures, but at least it will be windless out there. As we go into the afternoon and evening, not much happening, mainly cloudy skies. Pretty quiet for your Friday evening. That's some good news, and temperatures remaining in the lower 30s. Let's pick up the story tonight with clouds increasing and thickening up again. Tomorrow morning, that first batch of precipitation works in. Now, there's going to be this wedge of cold that's draped up over the mountains and foothills along the coastline, probably sneaking above the freezing mark, so I'm not too concerned along the coast. But inland areas, we're going to see a little icy glaze with this first burst of precipitation. It should taper down during the afternoon, at which point temperatures begin to warm as well. That's as the warm front's starting to work through. And then tomorrow night, it's really going to warm up, preceding a cold front and a line of downpours. The winds are going to howl again, and temperatures are going to spike into the 50s, perhaps even 60 degrees in a few spots. The problem is a lot of us will be sleeping at that point, so we're really not going to be able to take much advantage of this warmth. There won't be too many problems near the coastline tomorrow morning, but I want to caution you inland, if you're away from the coast at all, there will likely be an icy glaze that forms on the roads, on walkways, on decks, on stairs. Your first step out of the house may be a slippery one before the warm-up occurs. It will occur, though. In fact, behind the front, while it will be windy and we get more sunshine on Sunday, temps don't get too cold. It'll actually be fairly mild, with it be in the 40s. And Monday, even better, with a high temperature around 50. We will see a cold front come through by Tuesday morning. Chillier air for the middle of the week, but still normal cold for this time of the year. Nothing abnormally cold next week at all, and no storms for a while either. Great news for next week. Gale warnings are up late tonight, tomorrow into Sunday. Today sees 3 to 5 feet and winds out of the south, which will crank a little bit this afternoon. So we've got a few snow showers this morning into the early afternoon. High temperatures 30 to 35. Watch out for inland areas. They will be icy tomorrow morning at the coast. It should be mild enough. And then we get some rain showers as it turns milder. Sunday, back to sunshine, breezy in the 40s. Monday looks good. We'll be near 50 degrees with lots of sun. And that sun stays out Tuesday and Wednesday. Seasonably cool. Will be around 40. And then they spike again, those temperatures, back up to 50 degrees. So we won't see this severe cold that we're getting right now, Chloe, for a while. And after we get through tomorrow's storm, it should be pretty quiet for a while, too.
I guess we'll take that.